Those are all good tips right there, because I'm sure lots of people are going to be going outside for lots of events, but people who are in the Texas area and not going outside, because that is where Hurricane Beryl is.
Yeah, exactly. And Hurricane Beryl made landfall at 4 a.m. local time there, so it was about 5 a.m. Eastern. Now you can still continue to notice the eye of that storm as it moves a little bit farther inland. It made landfall near Matagorda, Texas earlier this morning, but just to the north and east of that eye, that's really where they're getting the heaviest of the rainfall. Not only that, but also dangerous storm surge and very strong winds as well. So it's just a close-up version just to show you area of Freeport getting a lot of rainfall at this point, already registering, at least in terms of the radar estimated rainfall, well over 8 inches of rainfall there over the last 24 hours associated with Beryl. They're talking just a little bit less than that farther inland, about 7 inches just to the west of there, and getting close to 6 inches near Angleton. And now in terms of wind speed, this is a radar estimated as well, at least 75-mile-per-hour sustained winds closer towards Surfside Beach, 65-mile-per-hour winds near Galveston. Now Houston getting about 60-mile-per-hour winds at this point. Now Beryl right now, it is a Category 1 hurricane at boasting winds of 80 miles per hour. It's moving its way north at about 12 miles per hour. It will weaken as it moves closer towards Houston later on today, and then eventually will continue to weaken as it moves farther and farther inland. Now we could be seeing some remnants associated with Beryl later on this week. Now that will also be matched up with that low pressure back out towards our west. Now high pressure is off towards our north, and that will continue to provide us with mainly dry conditions to start off today. It's later on this afternoon with the daytime heating of the day that we'll see some pop-up showers and storms. Heat advisory has been issued again for most of our area. It does not include the I-81 corridor areas off towards the west, but with that heat advisory, this is the area where we could see the potential for those heat index values into the triple digits again today. Could be up to 105 degrees for those feels like temperatures later on this afternoon. It's another very warm start to the day, holding at 80 in D.C. as well as Lexington Park. We're seeing those upper 60s to low 70s back over towards the I-81 corridor and back over towards the mountains. Those dew points, those are still elevated, but at least there's some relief partially back over towards western Maryland and the eastern panhandle. Closer towards D.C. and areas southward, that's where we're seeing those dew points upper 60s to low 70s at this point. In terms of futurecast and the timing, we're talking about those high temperatures today, mid to upper 90s, and also we could see that potential for some isolated showers and storms, mainly for D.C. and areas southward, even as we get towards 6 o'clock this evening. I would say right around sunset, that will really cut off any of those showers and thunderstorms developing. So overnight tonight looking dry. As we look ahead towards tomorrow afternoon, very similar to the day today, where we're tracking some isolated showers and storms. And then not only that, those high temperatures will be back in those mid upper 90s again tomorrow afternoon. Still mainly cloudy as we head towards overnight Tuesday into Wednesday, and then Wednesday likely later in the day, like I was talking about with the remnants of Beryl, that'll be attached to that low pressure system along with that cold front. So notice as we look ahead towards Tuesday morning that Beryl will match up with that low and will move its way closer towards our area, and we'll be watching for some wet weather later on Wednesday afternoon and evening. And then as we get towards Thursday, still looking at some showers and thunderstorms, and even Friday looking like widespread rain across our area. It is much needed rainfall. We will take it. Parts of our region are under a severe drought, so we'll take that rainfall along with the cool down. We go from those upper 90s today and tomorrow, lower 90s Wednesday and Thursday, upper 80s as we look ahead towards Friday, and we're right around those 90s as we get towards this upcoming weekend. Shanika's back with the on-point look at those roads. What are you seeing right now?